In this video, we will discuss about 8 ways men express love towards a woman, so let's start. 1. He shows his affection for you in public. He seems more comfortable showing affection to you in public. Maybe it was weird when you first started dating, but the closer you become, the less he cares about what other people think. He'd make a fool of himself to put a smile on your face. If instead, he's more likely to walk ahead of you and let the door close in your face, maybe just run. 2. Whatever you're doing together, he's all in. He might have his preferences, but the main thing for him is getting to spend time with you and enjoy your company. So, he'll be up for just about anything. While any relationship should give both partners a chance to do what they enjoy together or apart, he'll be fully invested when you're doing something together, even if the chosen activity is nowhere near his top 10. 3. He stays close to you physically. Physical contact, even when innocent, sends nonverbal messages that are worth paying attention to. If he can spend most of his time with you, his attention will be drawn to you wherever you are. He might send you random texts to check up on you, or he'll send you a small gift of some kind to let you know he's thinking of you. 4. He shares his secrets. A man who's in love with you is more likely to share secrets with you he shares with no one else or only a select few. He lets you in because he loves and trusts you. If he's closed off around you, though, and refuses to share intimate details about himself, even after you've dated for a while, take it as a sign he's not ready for a close relationship with you. 5. He notices the small things and he compliments you. If you get your hair done, he'll notice and he'll always make you feel good about yourself. 6. He is never annoyed at you. Your man is busy and you are teasing him. If he doesn't get annoyed at you, he clearly loves you. 7. He can stay angry at you. No matter what the reason is or how big a mistake you've made, he can stay mad at you for long. 8. He really listens to you. A man who really cares for you will listen intently and do his best to absorb all of the details that he can. It is his way of showing you that he values you and what you have to say.